The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Natural remedies and holistic practices can complement traditional healthcare, but aren't guaranteed cures or treatments. Use this information responsibly and make informed decisions about your well-being. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have endless energy throughout the day while you're reaching for your third cup of coffee by noon? What if I told you the secret isn't another energy drink or supplement, but a completely different approach to how you move your body and breathe? Today, we're diving deep into holistic workouts that combine ancient wisdom with modern science to naturally boost your energy levels and transform how you feel every single day. I'm talking about a revolutionary approach that merges yoga, breathwork, and recovery techniques into one powerful system that works with your body's natural energy cycles instead of against them. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to create sustainable energy that lasts from morning until night, without the crashes and without the dependence on stimulants. But first, let me share something that might surprise you. Most people think exercise is supposed to drain your energy, and if you're not exhausted afterward, you didn't work hard enough. This couldn't be further from the truth. The right type of movement actually generates energy, and when you combine it with proper breathing techniques and strategic recovery, you create a compound effect that multiplies your natural vitality. The problem with traditional fitness approaches is they often leave you depleted. You hit the gym hard, push through exhaustion, and wonder why you feel tired for the rest of the day. Holistic workouts flip this script entirely. Instead of forcing your body into submission, you're working in harmony with your natural rhythms and energy systems. Let's start with the foundation. Understanding your body's energy architecture. Your energy isn't just about how much sleep you got last night or what you ate for breakfast. It's a complex interplay between your nervous system, circulation, hormone production, and cellular function. When these systems are aligned and working optimally, energy becomes abundant and sustainable. The first pillar of holistic energy workouts is mindful movement through yoga. But we're not talking about just any yoga practice. This is specifically designed movement that activates your energy channels while building strength and flexibility simultaneously. The key is choosing poses that stimulate your endocrine system and improve circulation without overwhelming your nervous system. Morning energy yoga sequences should focus on gentle awakening movements. Think cat-cow stretches that mobilize your spine and activate your core, followed by sun salutations modified for energy cultivation rather than intensity. The goal is to wake up your body gradually and create heat from within. Warrior poses build strength while opening your chest and improving posture, which directly impacts how efficiently you breathe throughout the day. What makes this different from regular yoga is the intention and execution. Every movement is performed with awareness of energy flow. You're not just moving through poses, you're consciously directing energy through specific pathways in your body. This creates both immediate and cumulative effects on your vitality levels. The second pillar is breathwork, which might be the most underutilized tool for energy enhancement in the Western world. Your breath is literally the bridge between your conscious and unconscious systems. When you learn to control and optimize your breathing, you gain direct access to your energy production mechanisms. Energizing breathwork techniques work by increasing oxygen efficiency and activating your sympathetic nervous system in controlled bursts. The 4-7-8 technique is perfect for morning activation. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This pattern optimizes oxygen absorption while training your nervous system to handle stress more efficiently. Box breathing creates sustained energy by balancing your autonomic nervous system. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold empty for 4. This technique is particularly powerful because it trains your body to extract maximum energy from minimal effort. You're essentially teaching your cells to be more efficient with oxygen utilization. For midday energy boosts, alternate nostril breathing works like magic. This technique balances the left and right hemispheres of your brain while optimizing airflow. Cover your right nostril and breathe in through the left for 4 counts, then switch and exhale through the right for 4 counts. Continue alternating for 5 to 10 minutes. The effect is immediate mental clarity and sustained physical energy. The third pillar is strategic recovery techniques that actually generate energy rather than just restore it. Most people think recovery means being passive, but active recovery techniques can be more energizing than the workout itself. This is where we integrate practices that help your body not just bounce back, but bounce forward with increased capacity. Contrast therapy is incredibly effective for energy enhancement. This involves alternating between hot and cold exposure to stimulate circulation and activate your stress response systems in a controlled way. You don't need fancy equipment. A hot shower followed by 30 seconds of cold water creates the same physiological response. The key is consistency and gradual progression. Self-massage and myofascial release work by improving circulation and releasing tension that blocks energy flow. Using a foam roller or tennis ball on trigger points increases blood flow and activates your parasympathetic nervous system. Focus on areas that hold tension throughout your day, your neck, shoulders, hips, and feet. Meditation might seem like a recovery technique, but when done correctly, it's actually an energy amplification practice. Instead of traditional relaxation meditation, try energy cultivation meditation. Sit comfortably and visualize drawing energy up from the earth through your body with each inhale, and spreading that energy to every cell with each exhale. This isn't just visualization, it's training your nervous system to optimize energy distribution. Now let's put this all together into practical daily routines. Your morning holistic workout should take 15 to 20 minutes maximum. Start with 3 minutes of energizing breath work to wake up your systems. Follow with 10 minutes of energy-focused yoga movements that mobilize your spine, open your chest, and activate your core. Finish with 2 minutes of intention setting through brief meditation. The midday energy boost routine is designed for when your natural energy starts to dip, usually around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. This 5-minute protocol can be done anywhere, even in an office setting. Begin with 1 minute of alternate nostril breathing, followed by 3 minutes of seated spinal movements and shoulder releases, and end with 1 minute of energy visualization. Your evening routine focuses on active recovery that prepares your body for restorative sleep while maintaining energy for evening activities. This 10-minute practice includes gentle hip openers, forward folds, and twists combined with calming breath work. The goal is to release physical tension while maintaining mental clarity. The compound effect of combining these 3 pillars creates something remarkable. Yoga improves your body's structural efficiency, breathwork optimizes your energy production systems, and recovery techniques ensure sustainable progress. When practiced consistently, most people notice increased energy within the first week, with significant improvements in overall vitality within a month. What's particularly powerful about this approach is how it addresses energy depletion at its source. Instead of masking fatigue with stimulants, you're actually improving your body's ability to generate and maintain energy naturally. This creates an upward spiral where each day you have slightly more energy than the day before. The scientific backing for these techniques is substantial. Research shows that yoga practice increases GABA production, which helps regulate your nervous system and improve energy efficiency. Controlled breathing exercises have been proven to increase heart rate variability, which is directly correlated with stress resilience and sustained energy levels. Active recovery techniques improve mitochondrial function, literally increasing your cellular energy production capacity. One of the biggest misconceptions about holistic workouts is that they're less effective than high-intensity training. The reality is they're differently effective. While high-intensity workouts might burn more calories in the moment, holistic workouts improve your overall energy efficiency, which compounds over time to create greater total benefit. The beauty of this system is its adaptability. You can adjust the intensity and duration based on your schedule and energy levels. On days when you're feeling low, focus more on breath work and gentle movement. When you're feeling strong, incorporate more challenging yoga poses and longer breathing sequences. Consistency trumps intensity every time with holistic energy workouts. 15 minutes every day will produce far better results than an hour-long session once a week. Your nervous system responds to regular, gentle stimulation much better than sporadic, intense effort. As you implement these practices, pay attention to the subtle changes in how you feel throughout the day. Many people report feeling more grounded and centered, with sustained energy that doesn't fluctuate wildly like it does with caffeine or sugar. The ultimate goal isn't just having more energy. It's having sustainable, reliable energy that supports everything else you want to accomplish. When your energy is stable and abundant, every other area of your life improves. Your relationships are better because you're not irritable from fatigue. Your work performance improves because you can maintain focus and creativity throughout the day. If you're ready to transform your energy levels naturally and sustainably, start with just one element tomorrow morning. Choose either the breathing techniques, the yoga movements, or the recovery practices, and commit to 5 minutes daily for 1 week. Once that becomes automatic, add the second element, then the third. This gradual approach ensures lasting change rather than another abandoned fitness routine. Your energy is your most valuable resource. By investing 15 to 20 minutes daily in these holistic practices, you're not just improving how you feel, you're upgrading your entire operating system for life.